don't know what the fuck I've done. What the fuck have you been doing, you old cunt? You don't fucking know, sir. What? Yeah, fuck you. I've got my new 360 for my birthday. Now, we're outside, and this is. Oh, I've got to get that picture. Oh, let me see. I can do that now. Let me just see that. There's a thing here. No, go around. Is that right? No. Oh, I see. The camera goes back to forward. So, why is that like that? Maybe it's a 360. I'll have a look at this thing here. I don't know. Can I turn it around? Oh no, I can do that. I can see, I can do that with the thingy. Alright, that just turns that round. Okay, I'm with it now. So if I do that, then it goes like that. And I'll have to find out from her whether it goes the other way. So let's just, I don't need to see me, so we'll go back round that way. Right, okay. Alright, let's go and get my winter time now, so I've got to get more diesel for the generator. Probably using about I don't know, 60 litres a week. It's not bad, probably about 7 litres a day or something like that, depending. If I use the washing machine like that. Got the heaters. Now I've got to get diesel. Oh, right, let's take this out. Oh, I've got to get that jacket out in a minute. That needs a wash. Right, okay, let's put that over there. Now, this is my new 360. This is an updated version. This is the. I've got another one. She bought me. Oh, which is really good. But obviously, this one's probably meant to be better, and I do use it quite a bit. It's probably. I don't know why a lot of bloggers and that don't use this, because I think it's probably one of the best in the market. I don't know. It's about the old caravan caught on fire. Shithole. Oh, this is the old one. Fucking good caravan that was. My gas bottles. Right, let's just take those bottles down. That's a generator going away there. Yeah, what I use? Probably, as I said, probably about 50 litres of diesel a week for the generator. And I'm running it. I'm probably running it. So I normally put it on at, I used to put it on at 10 and turn it off at 5. Now it's been a bit colder and a bit darker. I put it on at 9:30, turn it off at 5, because I don't like running it too late at night. And in the summer, obviously, charges up the RV batteries, the generator. Oh yeah, charges up the RV batteries, which gives us power at night. The TV and fridge all run off the batteries. That's the solar panels up there. I'm going to add to that. I may put those ones on over there which are not being used at the moment. But I need to get a battery power for the winter that will charge up during the day. We can use that at night to put a heater on rather than gas heaters. They're in my shed. And also with the generator charges up all these batteries that I've got down there. Keeps the lawnmower battery charged. That's the Harley battery, keep it charged. That's the old scooter. The old fat boy. He's asleep. Where's my chainsaw?
Chainsaws everywhere. You can never have too many chainsaws.
There's my shed. Need a bit of a tidy up here in the summer. Put some of this crap away out. I fucking put crap everywhere, but I fucking hoarder. She goes fucking mad. I put the stuff down everywhere. Can you imagine if I had all this stuff inside the fucking house? Oh, you had to charge this up. This is my jump starter for the car. Let's go back in there. Fucking good bit of kit. We'll say to people it's worth having something like that in your car, keeping something like this, you know, a good one, because if you ever do get a flat battery, let's put that in there. Yeah, if you ever do get, what have I done there? Oh, fuck knows what I've done there. It's gone red. Why has that gone fucking red? I don't know why it's gone red. What's happened there? Oh, I turned it off then. Turned it back on. It went red. I've done something. I don't know what I've fucking done. Don't know what I did here. I did something like that. What did I do? Oh, now it's gone up that way. Oh, now it's fucking changed. How did that happen? Well, I don't know what went there because just a minute ago, I don't know if she'll have to flip it over. It was facing the other way. So now it's showing me the batteries up there. I don't know what the fuck I've done. What the fuck have you been doing, you old cunt? You don't fucking know, sir. I ain't got a fucking clue what I mean. Just a minute ago, I had to do that, didn't I? But the outside. I was saying that's me, the 1962 old Lammy. I'll get some more photos of those in the summer. I don't want to keep uncovering it and covering it up. That's a right old fucking classic. My 2007 Fat Boy, 1500 or 1600 really is. Yeah, this is my shed, as I said. Holiday soon. What? What did you say? Yeah, fuck you. But I'm sure she'll fucking know. She fucking knows everything. So I've got to get the car MOT tomorrow so I don't run out of that and I don't get in fucking trouble. Oh dear, it's all fucking happening, isn't it? That was the fire damage from the other year, last year. So I've got 12 gas bottles, basically. If everything goes fucking tits up, I've got 12 years supply. But I always change it to make sure I've always got my reserve, the 12 years reserve. Let's see, anyway, this is my garden. Oh, let's get some fat balls. Some fat balls for the birds. I'll keep them in here. These are good bits of fucking kit, these lockers. They weren't cheap. She bought them. They were a couple £100 each, I think. They were a couple £100 each, but we've had them a couple of years, and squirrels can't get in the fuckers. They do in the plastic ones, they chew them. But that is really good. Yeah, let's put these in there. A bit wobbly now. Oh, the old flowers coming up. The old flowers starting to come up now. January, or was it February, March, there'll be old daffodils and stuff coming up. The old crow up there in the tree, I don't know if you can see him. There's Shu's little tent there. We've got some other flowers and stuff coming up here. A bit more daffodils down there. Can't remember what that is. We'll see. And then here, there's Shu's little tent there, and that's her box. She was in there the other day. That's really for in the summer she can go in either one of those to keep herself shaded. And she's also got another one over there. You've got another one over there. That was meant to be a large dog kennel. Fuck off. Okay for a large cat. Oh, I suppose a Jack Russell. A large Jack Russell. certainly not a 47 kilo fucking German Shepherd. Anyway, that's my recording. So we go back round this way. So that's my little bit of recording today, testing my new 360 DJI. These are very, as I said, I don't know why the bloggers don't get these, because you know when you're videoing something forward, then somebody goes, oh fucking hell, you just missed what happened behind you. Well, you don't with these, do you? Or at the side, you don't actually miss anything. So, you know, if some shit's going on behind you, like there's a car accident and you're on your bike, you've got the video. I mean, I've got front and rear cameras on my bike, but the image is not as good as this. But if you have one of these, wherever you go, you're getting a 360 view, aren't you? So if shit happened on the left hand side, right hand side or behind you and you're looking forward, then you've got it all. But I suppose it's probably the price, and I mean they're not cheap, are they? But you know, I suppose it's a gadget that you've got to really buy, and you're going to get a good use out of it because you enjoy it, which I do. Anyway, fuck it. Right, I'll turn it off now, I think. Yeah, that's better. It's up the right way now. See, I know it's recording, and it's recording there. I think I stopped it just for a minute there because I was meant to be doing. I stopped it. I pushed that wrong button there. See, I'm a cunt. Anyway, I've gone back to recording. I'm going to put it up in the air now. Just turn that back around and see what it's like up in the air. My trees. Aha! Ah, they're all coming out now. That's my plum tree. Cherry tree, walnut tree, apple tree, cherry tree. Are they coming out now? I never get any fucking cherries. They always get eaten. I've had one in 5 years. The bird's water's okay. So what's that? Right. Okay. Let's see. So right. Well, that was up in the air then. So we'll see what that come out like, boys and girls. Right, turn it off now. She'll be fucking moaning at me in a minute. A fucking good bit of kit.